Hello developers, hope you are practicing your Python skills. So let's do a mini project to convert a temperature inputted in Celsius into Fahrenheit. Okay, so this would help you firm up your understanding on prompts and how to convert that prompt into an integer and then write a simple formula and display it using f strings. Okay, why wait? So let's head over to the visual VS Code. So the formula to convert a temperature given in Celsius into Fahrenheit is whatever C multiplied by 9 over 5 plus add 32. Okay, so let us create one file C2f dot py. Okay, and then write ask user to input temperature in Celsius. Okay, C, then convert this into Fahrenheit. F. Okay, using the following formula. Okay, F equal to C times 9 by 5. Okay, so just to put it like this, plus 32. We just need one multiplication. Let's verify. C times 9 over 5 plus 32. C times 9 over 5 plus 32. So, okay, let's ask the user for input. I hope my screen is visible. Celsius equal to the int, it converts the integer by this prompt input, enter temperature in Celsius. Okay, and we stored in Celsius variable. Then let's compute Fahrenheit. Let me spell, or just call it F. Okay, equal to C times 9 over 5, just put it in parenthesis, plus 32. So this is Celsius. Okay. Then what we can do is we can just display using our beautiful formatted string print f. So it is interpolates temperature Celsius given in C Celsius. So C, let's say C. So it will going to interpolate whatever is there in the variable. If you put in braces Celsius, okay, into Fahrenheit, equal to F. Okay, save it, press Ctrl S, and then run it. So now it is asking input, enter the temperature in Celsius. So let's say today the temperature was 30 degree. So that value converted into Fahrenheit will be 86 Fahrenheit. Okay. All right. Keep practicing it. Until next time. Bye bye. Thank you. Thanks for watching.